Good day everyone, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to use CamScanner app for making PDF files and of course for scanning your documents and turning them into PDFs. It's basically what this app does. So as you can see guys, you just open the app inside of this, camera inside of this application. There's gonna be a camera button that you press, and as you can see we are given this small little sample file to scan it. So let us press on scan. So single, and as you can see, a new brand PDF to Word. So this is going to be our scanned document that we can turn, of course, into the PDF file. So press on the check mark, and as you can see, this is going to be our tutorial as well. So got it. And now you can also add other images, as you can see, if you want to add them into your PDF file. And after that, you just basically send to PC or just save to your gallery. You can also edit PDF, you can crop it, you can turn it into Word files, for example. And as you can see, we have multiple various settings for our PDF. We can translate it as well. So very cool. After you're done, just save your PDF and you can easily export it to PC. So just press on Save to Gallery like this. And as you can see now, it's saved to gallery as a PDF file. Very, very easy. And you can, of course, do this with any document you want, like this in this application. So enjoy, guys. Hopefully this little tutorial helps you. Enjoy the video, like and subscribe, and of course, make sure to click on the notification bell to not miss the new fresh uploads. Thanks, guys, once again. See you soon.